The Clever Thief and Birbal's Wisdom. Emperor Akbar loved Birbal. Birbal was very wise. He was Akbar's favorite minister. People from far and wide knew Birbal. They knew about his cleverness. One day, a rich merchant came to Akbar's court. He looked very sad. His face was pale. Akbar asked, "What troubles you, good merchant?" The merchant bowed. He said, "Your Majesty, I have been robbed. A thief stole my most precious jewels." Akbar was angry. "Who dared to do this?" he asked. The merchant shook his head. "I do not know, Your Majesty. I suspect one of my own servants. But I cannot be sure." Akbar thought for a moment. He turned to Birbal. "Birbal," he said, "this is a serious matter. We must find the thief. Can you help this merchant?" Birbal smiled calmly. "Yes, Your Majesty. I will try my best." Birbal asked the merchant, "How many servants do you have?" The merchant replied, "I have 10 servants, Birbal. All live in my house." Birbal thought for a while. He then had an idea. "Merchant," he said, "bring all your 10 servants to the court tomorrow morning." The merchant agreed. He went home feeling a little hopeful. The next morning, the 10 servants stood before Akbar and Birbal. They looked nervous. Birbal looked at each one. Birbal then spoke. "Listen, all of you," he said. "The merchant's jewels are gone. One of you is the thief." The servants whispered among themselves. They looked scared. Birbal continued, "I know who the thief is. But I will give you a chance." He then held up 10 wooden sticks. "I have here 10 sticks," he said. "Each stick is exactly the same length." He gave 1 stick to each servant. "Take these sticks," Birbal instructed. "Go home now. Keep these sticks with you tonight. Tomorrow morning," Birbal explained, "come back to court. The thief's stick will grow to inches longer. The innocent one's sticks will remain the same." The servants were surprised. They took the sticks. They left the court. The merchant watched, confused. Akbar too was puzzled. "Birbal," Akbar asked, "how can a wooden stick grow?" Birbal just smiled. He said, "Your Majesty, wait and see." The next morning, the 10 servants returned. They held their sticks. Birbal asked them to line up. He began to inspect each stick. He looked closely at the first stick. Then the second. Then the third. Suddenly, Birbal stopped at one servant. He held that servant's stick. It was shorter than the others. "Aha!" Birbal exclaimed. "Here is the thief." The servant turned pale. He tried to run. But the guards caught him. Akbar was amazed. "Birbal," he said, "how did you know?" Birbal explained, "Your Majesty, I told them the thief's stick would grow to inches. A guilty person thinks strangely. The real thief believed my words. He thought his stick would actually grow. So, to hide his guilt, He secretly cut 2 inches from his stick last night. He thought if it grew, it would become the same length as the others. But in reality, no stick grew. His stick became shorter because he cut it. Akbar clapped his hands. Amazing, Birbal. Truly amazing, he said. Your wisdom is unmatched. The merchant got his jewels back. He thanked Birbal many times. Birbal had once again proven his great intelligence. Everyone in the court praised Birbal's wit. He was indeed the cleverest of all.